Hello students, welcome to your chemistry classmate. From today's session onwards, we shall concentrate 11th basics of chemistry. So apart from that, in the previous video lecture, I already done about what is AMU, what is relative atomic mass, what is relative molecular mass, and what is Avogadro number, and what is the mole and its analysis. Detailedly I given. So in the description also I will provide the links just to go through that. So we shall continue that part with the mole and its analysis with the chemical reaction. So in the case of chemical reaction, how to analyze the mole or mole concept. This is the today lecture. You will get the wonderful experience. Definitely you will be get the perfection in the chemical reactions, how to analyze the mole. Okay. First of all, chemical reaction, you know that in any reaction, reactants gives products. So generally, general notation of reaction is reactants gives products. So here certain conditions. In any chemical reaction, according to the law of mass action, you know, the masses of reactants must be equal to masses of products. This is the basic definition and basic rule. So how much mass produced by the reactant, the same mass produced by the products, but the form is different. That's all. So we shall move from simple to complicate. So first familiar equation we shall take. You know, hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it forms water. This is the basic reaction, you know. So before applying the mole and its analysis, first look at the reaction. Is it balanced or not? Otherwise, in the chemistry terminology, we can say that. That means in the language of chemistry, we can say that it is stoichiometric or non-stoichiometric. Stoichiometric nothing but balanced. Non-stoichiometric nothing but non-balanced. Otherwise, skeletal equation. Now, if you look at the reaction, in the reactant side, two hydrogen atoms, otherwise one hydrogen molecule, two oxygen atoms or one oxygen molecule is there. In the product side, it is H2O, H2O, one molecule of H2O. Otherwise, two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. So if you look at the left side, two hydrogens, but right side two hydrogens, hydrogen balanced, no problem. What about oxygen? Left side two oxygens, but right side one oxygen only. That is why just put two here, then oxygen balanced. But due to putting two, hydrogen number increased. That is why 2 into 2 4 hydrogen. That is why put 2 here, automatically hydrogen balanced. This is the simplest way of the balancing equation, just by observing. Just this is also called as hit and trial method. Also we will do separate lecture based on the balancing equations. Now observe here how to analyze this reaction in terms of mole. Observe here. So two hydrogen, that means 2 moles of, so 4 ways we can express. The way 1, first way is way 1. 2 moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of oxygen. That means molecules otherwise, because it is molecular state. 2 moles of hydrogen molecules reacts with 1 mole of oxygen molecule, gives 2 moles of water. This is the first way of explanation. So any chemical reaction we can express in terms of number of moles. Is it clear? So 2 moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of oxygen. It gives 2 moles of water. Second way, so way 2. How to express this equation, do you know? 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen reacts with 1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen gives 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2O. Is it clear? So this is the second way of explanation. Is it okay? So in the first way we can express in terms of moles. In second way we can express in terms of molecules. So third way, see there. What is the third way? So way 3. Observe here. We can express the gas or substances in terms of its gram molar volume according to the mole concept. That is why see there 2 into 22.4 liters of hydrogen in terms of volume reacts with 1 into 22.4 liters of oxygen gives 2 into 22.4 liters of water. This is the third way. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. Look at the next way. Way 4. Way 4. What is the weight of this H2? 2 gram molecular weight, because H2 is a gram molecule. So what is the gram molecular weight of H2? 2. That means 2 into 2, 4 grams. That means 2 into 2 grams of hydrogen reacts with how much oxygen is there? 1 mole. That means O2 molecular weight, how much? Gram molecular weight? 32. So 32 grams of O2 gives 2 into water molecule. Molecular weight how much? Gram molecular weight 18 grams. So 2 into 18 grams of H2O. Is it clear? See there. So this is the simple way of explanation for the chemical reaction in terms of mole and its analysis. So way 1. Otherwise, first possibility is in terms of moles. Second in terms of molecules. Third in terms of volume. Fourth in terms of weight. From here, you can develop the different relations. What are the relations? Suppose if reactant, if they are expressed in terms of moles. So mole you can converting into mole. Otherwise mole you can converting into molecules. Mole you can converting into volume. Mole you can converting into weight. Is it clear? Do you understood the reaction? So mole to mole conversion possible. Mole to molecule conversion possible. Mole to volume conversion possible, and mole to weight conversion also possible. Is it clear? So this is the simple way of analysis of mole in the case of chemical reaction. So we shall see one more equation whether you are following or not. So observe here familiar equation we shall take, if nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, it forms ammonia. So first of all, is it stoichiometric or non-stoichiometric? Otherwise, is it balanced or non-balanced? It is not balanced. What is the reason? 2 nitrogens, but here 1 nitrogen. Here 2 hydrogens, here 3 hydrogens. That is why you should balance it. In this kind of equations, as per the hit and trial method, as per the balancing rules, first where odd number is there, in the case of H3 odd number. That is why if you put 2, so 2 nitrogens, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens. So odd number converting into even number. Now 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens. Automatically if you put 3 here, 3 into 2, 6 hydrogens, balanced. 2 nitrogens balanced. Is it clear? So this is the simple way to balance the equation. So but here it is not our business. Now we shall apply the mole and its analysis. So if you apply the mole and its analysis, observe here. First step, what we can express? See there, 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. Is it okay? Gives 2 moles of ammonia. This is the first way. Second way, what I said to you, in terms of molecules, how many moles are there? 1 mole. That means 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of N2 reacts with 3 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen. Is it okay? It gives 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of NH3. Is it okay? So this is the way of analysis in terms of molecules. Third one, what I said to you in terms of volume. So 1 mole is there. That means 22.4 liters of nitrogen reacts with 3 into 22.4 liters of hydrogen gives 2 into 22.4 liters of ammonia. Is it okay? So this is the third way analysis of mole. Fourth one is in terms of weight. See the N2 weight how much? 28 grams. Gram molecular weight of nitrogen is 28 grams. So about AMU, about gram molecular weight, about gram molar volume, everything I discussed in the previous video lecture. I shall provide that link also in the description. Please go through that, get the better understanding. Okay. So 20 grams of nitrogen reacts with 3 into 2 grams of hydrogen. Correct only now? Gives 2 into 17 grams of ammonia. 2 into 17 grams of ammonia. So this is the way of analysis of chemical equation in terms of moles. Is it clear? So whenever equation has given, immediately you have to focus on these 4 ways how to analyze that. Then if you analyze, if you imagine immediately this analysis in your mind, then you will never get confusion about the numericals, because here you will get the mole to mole relation, mole to molecule relation, mole to volume relation, mole to weight relation. Is it clear? So in another video lecture we shall learn about what are the relations and how to apply that mole concept for the various equations. We shall discuss detailedly. So do follow these all the parts what I am going to upload to you. So like it, share it, subscribe it, and if any comments please share there only. Thank you.